Well, this is it. The last look at the 5 by 10 foot HO scale layout that I've had in our upstairs game room for probably 10 years or so now. It's coming apart today. I've been planning on taking this layout apart for quite some time, and so we need to have more room. I do plan to replace it with some bookshelves, and I'm going to have my switching layout up here eventually that I'm building currently. And I do want to save most of the materials from this layout, and at least the ones that I can, and I'll be reusing part of those on the layout that I'm building now, as well as future layouts that I might build down the road sometime. So again, here's just one last look at the layout, and I'll have these cameras set up, and so let's go ahead and take a look at the deconstruction of the HO scale layout. Well, that's it. The layout's gone, everything is taken downstairs, cleaned up. What I'll be doing now up here is basically moving all the toys that are on that side of the room to this side, building in, doing some nice built-in shelves on the other side of the room, getting the toys back on that side, doing some furniture like a gaming table, that kind of thing on this side, and kind of just re-evolving the room. So anyway, thanks for watching this layout deconstruction video. Kind of sad to see the layout go, but excited to see the room evolve and work on the new projects in this room, and also get back to eventually working on that HO scale switching layout series. Anyway, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.